this one product has helped me with that. You will definitely see the results. Ayurvedic, and if you know me, you know I do like Ayurvedic stuff. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen, and today's video is going to be everything about that one product that I've spoken about before and I've been using since months now. Quite a few y'all were also asking about that one skin issue, and this one product has helped me with that. That is what we are going to speak about in this video, so keep on watching. This is that one product. Now, if you are following me on my Instagram page, then I've already spoken about this, I've already used this, and this is my second dabba. Okay, this is my second pack, and I have few other variants as well. By the way, this is a soap. This is Gar Soap's Ayurveda Plus Science Detan Soap, which says I hold a PhD in removing body tan. And this is Magic Soap that was all around the internet. I did one of the influencers use this as well. And here it is. This is the soap, and this is how it looks like. This is my second one. It has two layers. So this is the rough side, which slightly exfoliates, and the other side is the smooth side, which moisturizes. I've already used this, and I've used this till the time where the soaps, they just become so much, and you still use them on your body and make complete use of that. That's how I've used this soap. And this is my second soap. Like I was saying, this is the rough side, and this side is the smooth side, which moisturizes the body really well. This is not going to exfoliate your skin like very harsh. It's like mild exfoliant particles in this. Now let's say the soap has sandalwood, goat milk, and saffron in this, which will all together moisturize your skin really well and helps in detanning. And just like that, I have a little story to tell. When I was I think in the month of November or October end, I'd been to Mulki, a place called Mulki that's right between Mangalore and Udupi, and I'd been there, and of course that tan was so stubborn, like so stubborn. I'd been there for surfing, and throughout the day I was in the beach just surfing and having all the fun. I was like least bothered about applying sunscreen as well. After coming back from that place, I used this, and I used this for pretty good time. Okay, like I think 1.5 months or something, and this helped me in detanning the process. Now you can't really expect it to work in just like one wash, second wash, or third wash as well. You will have to use this continuously, and you will definitely see the results. Now the packet says it's suitable for all skin type, and infused with saffron and sandalwood. Yes, and it also has goat milk in it, so that's one plus point. Suitable for all skin type. Yes, I belong to dry skin category, and it works really well on my skin. At least it doesn't dry out your skin. Of course, they have given two layers just for that. One is for exfoliating, and just in case it exfoliates too much, which it doesn't, but still if it does, then this will help in moisturizing that part or that area really well. And by the way, this smells amazing. It smells like more like Ayurvedic, and if you know me, you know I do like Ayurvedic stuffs. I do like Ayurvedic products. On the label itself, it says Ayurveda and Science, Ayurveda Plus Science. So this does smell like Ayurvedic product, and Ayurvedic ingredients infused. Don't just directly apply this onto your face, but just foam it up and then use the foam on your skin. So I would definitely recommend you all to buy this. I'll just leave the details down, and you can check them out and order one for yourself. Use it and let me know. Come back. Let me know in the comment section if you really like it or not. I really like it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you want me to make more videos on this brand's soaps. So yeah, I will be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.